Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 12 of daily savings in July with my minis. I have my $6 today and we're going to put that into our minis bank, which is right here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. I am 99% sure it is still the weekend when I'm filming this for you guys on the 12th. 12th, 13th. Yep. It is Sunday. I hope you guys having a nice Sunday. I love Sunday mornings. I don't really sleep in and relax like I used to because 3 dogs, but every once in a while there's a chance that happens, and it is so lovely. All right, so we're going to go back to our little bookmark. So we're going to start here at number 6. Let's get everything situated. All right, I almost shuffled it. We do not. So 3 for 6, that's a good start. And then black tip reef shark, number 1, is getting 2. 2 is getting number 1, not quite. Ooh, 3 for 3. 3 for 4. 1 for 5, 1 for 6, 2 for 1, 1 for 2, 2 for 3, 2 for 4, and 1, 2, 3 for 5 again. So we will start at 6 like we did last week, meaning yesterday. Okay. So let's get situated. All right, so number 1, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going into number 1, which is from Budget with Tiffany 26. And that is exactly what we needed because this 50-cent one is already crossed out, so I'm going to use a blue because it's really hard to see these. So we're going to do 25, 50, 75, and $1. I don't know, the Crayola Clicks don't just have a vibrant, I mean, I know it's brown, but it's still not like a vibrant color. So we finished this one for $4 from Budget with Tiffany 26, and this is going to household. Okay, and we need a new one for household, so let's just dig in here. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, I grabbed 2. Oh, well, they kind of go together. I'll do the Earth Day. Oops, that doesn't go there. All right, this one is from Saving with Sam. Hi, Sam. So we're going to do $1, and each raindrop is, or each water droplet is 25 cents. So we can do 4 of these. Okay, so that is 4 quarters or $1 going into this one. And I've had this forever. I love that I'm using it now. I did that wrong, didn't I? There was nothing that was going to go into this one. Oh. All right, I'm going to leave this out and I'll clean it. I got so excited. Oh, I'm just excited. Okay, so we have 50 cents going into number 2. I'm actually paying attention this time. This one is from me. This is free on my Ko-fi. So we have 2 more hearts we can color in, so that's 25, and then this one is 50. All right. And then number 3 got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 25. So $1.25 going into number 3. This one is from Vicki at Pink Plum Budgeting. So let's do the $1 on this one. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. 25. So we have 1 more on that one, and then we have this whole one. Yay. All right, number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. So 125 going in here. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what we needed to finish this one. We finished another one. Sweater weather. Dog supplies, dog supplies. All right, so let me get my orange. And I'm gonna color this and be right back. Perfect. Yay. So we finished all these, so let's put those away and then let's grab a new one. What's this one? I'm eternally grapefruit. This is from Becca Budget 777. So each square is 25 cents. We do not have anything going in there, but let's write dog supplies on here for future me. Okay, number 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going into number 5, which is from Alexis at Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. So we have $1. So I think I'm going to cross off these 2 and still leave that quarter. So we just need 75 cents and this one will be done. I'm going to write buffer on this one. And then number 6 has 1, 2, 3, and 4 as well. So $1 going into number 6, which is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Sorry, I'm out of frame. I'm just leaning forward. Okay, so we have 4 more circles. Perfect. Oh my gosh, we finished 2. That's exciting. All right, so we're going to go back to the front. Let's put our prop coins away. And then we need 4 and 5. Okay, so we have $5 for sweater weather and Happy Thanksgiving. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll put the rest of the money back in the bank. All right, that is amazing. Put that out of the way. Let's grab this binder because this should have everything in here. So the first one was household, I think. GH, yep. Put that back in the binder. So we have $4 going into household. Every little bit just adds up nicely. And then sweater weather is dog supplies. So let's go back to this one. I did have to empty that out. Just when I thought I was good with dog food and didn't need to buy anything, they ran out of their favorite snacks and couldn't do that. Okay, so this will go back in here. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Enjoy yourself. Do something fun for yourself. And until next time, that doesn't have anything. Take care. Bye.